Hey guys, welcome back to groovyPost. Today, we'll quickly guide you on how to calculate averages in Excel. So let's get started. First off, make sure you have your Excel open and the cells that contain the numbers you'd like to get the average of. Now, tap on the Formulas tab on the ribbon at the top. Then click on More Functions. Under that, hit Statistical, and you'll see Average listed. Go ahead and click that. You should see a function arguments box pop up. Here, in the number 1 line, confirm the range of cells you've selected. Once you're sure, hit OK. You'll see the average of the selected numbers appear in the cell you've selected. Now that's only one way, but there is an easier way. To do that, on your worksheet, choose the cell where you want the average to show. Now, type =, average, parenthesis, then manually enter the cell references separated by commas, or you can select it with your mouse. Then close it by parenthesis and hit Enter or Tab. Now you've got your average. Well, you've made it. That's all on how to calculate averages in Excel using 2 simple methods. It's time for you to try these methods on your own. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to groovyPost for more quick tutorials like this one. If you have a question or suggestion, leave it in the comment box below. Thanks for tuning in. Until our next video, stay groovy.